channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I do my brows. So if you want to see how I got my brows looking like this, please keep on watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share. Thank you. The first thing I'm gonna do is brush the brow hairs up using a spoolie brush. And then I'm going to take a dark brown pencil and outline the bottom of my brow. And I'm just using a simple dark brown pencil, nothing special, guys. Once I've outlined the top and the bottom, I proceeded to fill in the brow to catch any sparse areas, and then I use the spoolie to just brush it through to ensure that it's not harsh and the pencil is distributed in the hair. To get the fade at the front, I brush the hairs in the opposite direction using that same spoolie brush. To clean up the bottom of the brow, I'm going to take an angled brush with some concealer and outline the brow. For this, you gotta take your time and try to have a steady hand to get a sharp, clean outline. And I'm also taking that down the center of my brows to clean it up. Then I'm gonna use a small kabuki brush, which is dense, and I'm going to use that to blend out the concealer. For the top of the brow, I did not use that same concealer. I used my foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro in shade 108, and I'm using the same angled brush to outline the top. And the same kabuki brush I'm using right here to just blend out the top as well and the center. And there you have it, nice, clean, sharp, defined brows. So to finish off, I'm just adding some dark brown powder to the brows to set them in place, to give them that nice look. And this is the finished look. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Please like, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Stay tuned at the end of this video for some bloopers. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my brows, how I fill in and whatever blah blah blah. Watch this, I wanna come.
That's the decoration here. Okay. I ain't got nothing to say.